quantity of seabirds here just ahead of us. If you're wanting to take, you're going to take photographs of puffins. This is your chance. Definitely fill up that memory card. These puffins here. This will be our best opportunity for that. The tufted puffins, of course, have the yellow tufts. Those are our punk rockers of the seabird community. Now take a good look at this feeding frenzy here, because we may see a similar scene later on this afternoon at 4:30 when we stop at the buffet line at Fox Island.
There he goes.
You can tell which puffins have gotten a chance to eat some fish. They're the ones that simply cannot fly.